What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to expose why launching meme coins is the most slept on opportunity in crypto meme coins right now, and I'm going to show you my step-by-step deving strategy for completely free in this video. You guys have to realize that deving meme coins is so highly gatekept because it's so profitable, so that's exactly why you have to watch until the end of the video to get all the information, all the sauce, and learn the exact deving strategy that I use all day every day to make thousands of dollars. And as you guys can see in my Phantom wallet, bro, I've made a quick bag from launching meme coins on the Solana blockchain, so I know what I'm talking about, bro. I am a pro at this. Here's the reality of the meme coin market. Every single coin on chain has a dev behind the coin. That dev collected fees on every single transaction. Even your transaction, they take a cut of every buy and sell. They also have a bunch of supply since they are the ones creating the coins, right? And then when that supply grows in value, they dump on everyone and they basically take everyone's money, including you, the trader. And all they're doing is creating coins with a viral narrative which costs nothing to do. Anybody can launch a coin and then they cash out on all the hype. They just do that over and over again. And guess what? You as a trader, you took all the risk. You bought the coin expecting for the coin to go up, but the dev dumped on your head. They captured all the upside and then they went and did it again with a different coin over and over and over again. Now that is not luck, but that's a system, and it works every single time regardless of which direction the market is moving, okay? And the system I'm talking about is deving, okay? Creating coins is the new meta. You guys will see why, bro. It costs nothing to make a coin, right? So even if one or two people buy and you only make a couple bucks, so what? You only make a couple bucks and you can move on to the next coin. I've personally made hundreds of thousands of dollars running that deving strategy, not trading and not doing other stuff, just launching and letting buyers come in and then exiting on my own terms over and over again. In this video, I am breaking down the entire strategy for completely free, no course, no paid group, nothing to buy, just the strategy I use, shown with a live example all in this video to show you exactly how it works from a step-by-step deving perspective. Let's get straight to it. By the way, everything in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I do not condone any financial advice given in this video. The results will vary, do your own research. Cap! Now most devs, okay, when they start deving, they go to Pump.Fun, right? And this is where everyone starts. It's the most talked about launchpad, so that's why people are launching here. But bro, it's fucking oversaturated. The platform is drowning in tokens. Thousands of coins go live every single day, bro, as you guys can see on the feed, okay? There's hundreds of coins coming out every single minute. If you launch a meme coin, bro, and you put a lot of time in that project, well, you will realize that you will get no buyers and nobody will see your coin. Not because your coin was bad, but because the environment has no potential and it's over competitive. That's why I personally launch my meme coins on another DEX, also known as the Radium DEX. It's basically like the level 2 of Pump.Fun. When a coin on Pump.Fun, right, reaches a $35,000 migration price, it levels up to Radium and it goes in the migrate section. Here is where I personally launch because there's more attention, there's more credibility, it's way safer, there's a higher potential for profits. Just there's a bunch of benefits when it comes to it, and that's exactly why we have to launch Radium. That is part of my strategy. But look, to launch a meme coin on Radium, bro, do not use Pump.Fun because your coin will need to reach a $35,000 price for it to level up. Instead, use create meme.io because every single coin that launches here, it levels up to Radium immediately, okay? It migrates, it skips the entire bonding curve, and it has priority to go go to the Radium DEX where thousands of people are potentially waiting to buy your coin. That's why a bunch of devs are gatekeeping this launchpad, and I will show you how to make a coin here. Now there are multiple ways to make a meme coin on this platform. You could either create a coin completely custom made on however you want. It could be a viral meme online, it could be some type of narrative that you have in mind, it could be a project, a software, anything. You can make it here within seconds, or you can use their free Twitter tracker. It's completely free to anyone who wants to use it for trading or for deving, and as you guys can see, once it loads in, right, you can turn tweets into fucking meme coins within seconds. It's the fastest and it's the best out now. Okay, some people charge for a Twitter tracker, but here they have it for completely free. Or you can use the method or you can use my favorite method, also known as the vamping strategy. It's in the copy trending coins tab right here. Basically all of these coins, okay, they're all here because they all have a good narrative on Pump.Fun right now. They're all getting a bunch of volume, a bunch of buyers, and just a bunch of attention. They're all proven right now. So the strategy here is to recopy these coins back to Radium, okay, where a bunch of attention is laying at, and then we can convert some people to buy our coin using these narratives. I will even do an example to show you how it's done. Now let's go, let's make a coin, bro. Let's see how much we can make in profits all in this video. Now look, first of all, make sure your phantom wallet is connected, then click on refresh and then look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna just go for a random coin, the Wojak coin, why not? Click on copy the Radium, wait for your phantom wallet to pop up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin will be vamped. Should load in, bro, just give it some time. Hello? And then boom. Now if you go on SoScan, right, it's minted, it's on chain, bro, everything is legit. You guys can go see it for yourself on chain. Okay, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now here's exactly how to create the Radium liquidity pool. There's two easy steps. For the amount of coins, click on 90%. This is what I usually do for all my launches. For the amount of Solana to pair, here is where you will be getting supply for yourself. Like that, you can make profits as a creator, as a dev. Now look, here put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Sol. You are not losing this Solana. You will get it back later once you exit or at any given moment when you want it back, bro. It's not a loss, it is still yours. Click on create pool, wait for your phantom wallet to show up. Hello? And then ignore the block and yeah, click on proceed, confirm, I understand right here, and then click on confirm. And after that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down and bang, the Wojak coin is live. Okay, it's created, people can buy your coin and your profits are going to show up right there. And now look, if you click on the refresh button or the entire page, it's up to you. Well, as you guys can see, now our profits went up. We're up 160 bucks within like 20 seconds. That means our narrative is good since we copied it to Radium, right? And people are buying in early. Now go on any trading terminal to see the chart at real fucking what time. And let's see, okay, we're getting a bunch of buyers. Okay, people are buying in. Like, look, bro, we're already up like 200 bucks. It's actually insane. What the fuck, yo? And if you want, bro, you can buy your own coin if you want. You can trade your coin, okay, if you want, as a trader and as a dev. Look, if it goes down, I'm gonna buy in for 1 Sol. Why not? Let me try out my luck. Okay, wait, look, wait. Okay, I'm in for 1 Sol. Let's see if we make some profits, okay? And yeah, bro, you can trade your coin if you want, because look, you cannot lose technically because you are the creator behind this coin. So why not trade your coin at the same time, okay? And on top of that, this coin costed us nothing to dev, okay? It costed me $0 to make this coin. So all this, okay, is fucking insane. Okay, I'm gonna give this coin some time for the pump. When I come back, we will see how much we made from the trading and from the deving. So be right back. Alright guys, I am back. Okay, we are at the 2k liquidity, 5k market cap, and let's see how much we make from this? Sell. Oh, wait, should I sell? Okay, I'm selling everything here. Boom, we made a quick profit. Okay, from that should be around like 80 bucks. Okay, from just trading. But yeah, how much do we make from deving? Come back to create meme.io and then click on the refresh button to see how much you're up now. And as you guys can see, damn, we're up $2,16,000. That's insane. I'm not going to lie. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, wait for your phantom wallet to show up. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm I understand right here, and then click on confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to dev a meme coin. And look, we made 2 bands. Look, in my phantom wallet, bro, bang, 2 bands, and we got the 0.3 on the back. Obviously, it's included, and that's exactly how to dev a meme coin from start to finish, bro. Now it's up to you to take actions. The results will vary from coin to coin, by the way. You might make 10k off one coin, 500, 200, 100, break even, 5,000, you never know. Create meme.io will be linked down below, or just go on Google and type in create meme.io. And if you want to win 5 Solana like this lucky winner right here, just join my Discord, like, subscribe and comment, and then send proof on my Telegram. Peace out.